Hi, glad you could join me again for my illustration tutorials, and welcome to this series on how to draw cartoon characters. Okay, this cartoon character is that cute canary Tweetie. Okay, before I start, by the way, remember to hit that subscribe button. That'd be great, thank you very much. Okay, so what you have to remember about little Tweetie Pie is big head, big feet. Okay, so the top part of Tweetie's head is a great big kind of bulging, kind of light bulb shape, like that. Coming right round, great big curve at the top, coming in, like that on both sides. And then the kind of little cheek shapes coming in at the bottom. And it's a very exaggerated kind of baby type face, cartoon baby face, okay? And then if you follow that line around there, you get a line for the top of the cheek, and one coming in there, okay? And from these cheek lines you get the eyes, very tall, thin, oval shaped eyes coming up like that, and large kind of pupils in the centre. There's two, there's a black one and a kind of paler one, and above that of course you get the nice curving eyelashes, the eyebrow, okay? And the other eye comes in like that, long and narrow, and then you get the pupil of the eye come in there like that, okay? And again above that you'll get the three eyelashes and a wee eyebrow coming in there. Of course at the top of his head you get little bits of hair sticking up, three of those as well, okay? And in the middle here you got the cute little beak. By the way, before I do that line there for the cheek, you cut that round and there's a bit of cheek line there, okay? And then the beak comes out from here, comes over, and there's kind of smiley curve in the bottom coming in like that, okay? Okay, now these two cheek lines come into the neck, which appears about here, okay? And then a little body. You get the shoulder turning around to the side, holding the hands together, and the back is sort of curved, and a kind of wee bottom sticks out like that, okay? And from the bottom you get a little kind of tail feather coming up there. Now these two arms kind of slope down in front of it like that, okay? The wee chest is sticking out, goes behind that arm and appears there, okay? And the other arm comes in like that. Now Tweetie is kind of holding the fingers together. You lace the fingers, you know, something like that. The other finger coming over there. The finger sticking out there. Okay. And her wee legs, what you get is almost a little short trouser shapes coming in below there. It's like that. And from those you get the legs. I say narrow at the top, but quickly getting broader, and as they come down to big feet, great big feet. You see a big toe like that curving up to there. Another one comes up to a big toe there. You see that? So there's a pencil shape of Tweetie in for you. So let's ink in now. Right, let's start with the eyes. So a nice big smooth curving shape coming up, and then the curve for the cheek, and then the pupil of the eye coming in there, the centre part of the eye, okay? And a wee eyelashes. Take the base off as you go up and flick it like that, okay? And then the other one comes in like that, with the centre part of the eye coming in there. Okay, and their wee eyelashes flicked up like that, and that eyebrow there. And then these wee hairs at the top, like that. Carrying on a nice big curve around the top of her head now, down to this cheek shape. It curves right around there. Right, and the wee cheek comes in, breaks that line slightly, comes in a curve, stops there, like that. And then we put another cheek shape there and carry on with the beak. Nice smiley shape there. Okay, and the neck, going down to there, and the shoulder, down to the back, the bottom, and the tail feather. Okay, and let's do these arms. And take the weight off it, you get a final line, see that? Go up to the hand there, and that comes over, and this wee finger comes over there, this other one comes in there, other finger comes in there, oh, your finger will stick out there. Then the wee chest sticks out like that with the arm coming behind it. And carry that line around to there, and the little kind of almost like trouser shapes, like that, and the big feet to finish off. And then this one, two heels kind of touching. Excellent. Now let's finish up by colouring in the centre part of the eye here. Excellent. There's a little Tweetie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you can join me next time. But in the meantime, of course, all the best and happy drawing.